Hi everyone, my name's Pete, that's my buddy Ed, and today we're playing Itch.io games. Get ready, I'm gonna have this shirt on for the next 3 videos. Haha. Anyways, trying to get ahead on my videos, but today we're gonna jump in on something fun, I hope, called the Doorbell. I have no idea what this is about, other than I thought that the logo looked cool with the eyeball and stuff. Whatever. Let's go. My mind has always played tricks on me. Maybe my dark thoughts is real. Grammar. I'm in a small room. I float. I clip through things. Okay. Whoa. I should really clean my house. Oh, it's like the introduction to another game that I know very well. Click on the trash to clean. 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 There's just trash on the couch. I love it. Okay. Oh. Who's at the door? Product placement for a thing that we don't own the copyright to. Oh, who just left this package? Dun dun, click the box. What the heck? I'm so confused. Oh my god. Please just be a dream. It's mad dork, son. Eyeballs. Oh my god, there's so many eyeballs. Find the bed. Where's the bed? I don't know where the bed could be. Where's the bed? Okay, there's the bed. I must enter the cabin to leave this nightmare. I need to do this is a tiny little cabin. Do a little William Shatner. I must enter the cabin to leave this nightmare. I know, maybe that's more of an ace. Holy crap, am I like 30 feet tall? What the heck? Yay! Yay! Did I leave that dark thoughts? Sorry. Awesome. Awesome. Yeah. Oh. Oh. Whoa. Whoa. Thank you so much for playing. More games are coming soon. I don't know what to say about that. Did I miss something? I'm so confused by what I just played. I'm so confused. Let's try this again. I have to know. I really have to know. My mind has always played tricks on me. Maybe my dark thoughts is real. Okay. Let's start just randomly clicking. I clip through the bed. I float. I float. I am a ghost. That door handle is like super far from where it's supposed to be. I should really clean my house. This introductory trash picking up scene is brought to you by the 2023 game Stray Souls. Why cornflakes? That is just click on the trash to clean. I'm clicking on it. Is there more trash to clean? Who just left this package? Dun, 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 door handle floating in the middle of the air. Oh my god. I'm not gonna click the... Duh. That's my favorite thing so far is the freaking door handles. Oh my god, please just be a dream. No trash? Float through the table? Okay. No TV, just random. When is this? How am I suddenly super short? But then here in a minute, I'm going to be like 40 feet tall. Eyeballs. I love that it starts you here. So it's like, be confused. You don't know where you find the bed. Where is the bed? I cannot find the bed. I am so lost. Is this game made in Roblox? Oh yeah, I'm not going to fall off the edge. What the heck is that? I must enter the cabin to leave this nightmare. Is that an eyeball? What did I do? Why am I so tall? Why am I so tall? Can I just touch the cabin and go inside? No, I have to go through the door. Okay. No, okay. Did I just leave that dark thoughts? I should really clean my house again. What is that? What the heck? I don't know what to tell y'all. We went through it twice. Well, you win some, you lose some with the Itch.io games. Oh yeah, and please comment down below if I'm an idiot and saying Itch.io when it's supposed to be pronounced some other way. I would love to pronounce it correctly. If I'm not, please excuse my geriatric millennial self for pronouncing it wrong. But okay, look, that was a game. That was that wasn't even a game. That was an experience. I think my favorite thing was to pick up the trash part. And then the tiny cabin. I think those were my two favorite things out of that. I don't really know what else to say about it. Really don't know. But anyways, do me a favor. Do the YouTube stuff. Like, subscribe, comment, notification bell. Wander around tiny cabins. Play with eyeballs. Not your own. Definitely not somebody else's. But, you know, eyeballs. All that. Find the bed. And please always remember to love one another. All right, cool. See y'all next time. Bye.